PG Father Golf Echo, turn left at 270 degrees, descend around at 25,000 feet.
So we've got the A380 just about to appear. Oh, and good afternoon, by the way, it's John from Drones and Planes. Just literally arrived, so I'm not in a very good spot. Hopefully here she comes. There we go, look at that. Sorry about the back of the head action here, but just literally this second arrived. Not managed to get into a decent spot. I don't think I'll make it, to be honest. But anyway, yeah. So, welcome to Manchester again, Mr. A380. Oh, actually, it's Mrs. or Miss. Ms. Unless you don't actually identify as gender these days, you know what it's like. And there she is, taxiing back to the stand. Stand number 12 normally, custom built stand for the A380. It's the only one I think we can accommodate it. I might be able to do another one, but it's a bit of a beast, isn't she? So she's going to need a bit of a big stand. The captain's waving. So, and it's in the Expo 2020 livery again today. I've seen this quite a few times now. But look how busy it is. Packed. It's a good thing. Well, I prefer to get down earlier than I do now, but never mind. Still got a reasonable viewing position here now.
30, 40 years ago, we used to operate the London Heathrow to Manchester service itself. Departed is Turkish Airlines
A330
Istanbul, and Turkish have been operating for many years out of Manchester on that service.
Virgin Dreamliner to all their aircraft.
It's called Dream Girl, apparently, according to Mr. Planespotting. Quite busy, quite a long one. And there she goes. Rotate later. Here's a Jet2 757. These must be getting close. We're getting close to retirement.
You got a spectral one, I didn't. Yeah, I just had the sunlight.
Going fast, this.
And when we're doing the commentary, we often look for a special aircraft, e.g. the biggest aircraft that might be operating, or the oldest, or maybe the smallest. The biggest aircraft that operated today, obviously the Emirates A380. But the oldest aircraft, I don't think we're going to beat it today. It's just touching down. This aircraft's actually 33 years old.
Wow.
It's a Boeing 747 operated by Jet2, the company based in Bradford.
Absolutely
So this
venerable queen of the
aircraft is 33
skies.
years old, which is a very good age for an aircraft.
Have you?
Aircraft don't generally last off, have an operating life of 20, maybe 25 years. The other way of looking at the age of an aircraft, how much it's been operated, if you look at the age, but what they tend to do from engineering purposes and how the aircraft's wearing out is the number of hours flown. And this 757, as of a couple of weeks ago, had flown for 84,000 hours. Which for an aircraft operating medium haul is a lot of hours. Some long range aircraft often operate, have a life where they fly over 100,000 hours. So in terms of age, that's probably the aircraft that's going to be the winner today, 33-year-old, but that is to Edinburgh. And we said they all have numbers. The one Heathrow to Manchester shuttle with number 2. Manchester back Heathrow is 3.
There in the distance, just behind the Premier terminal at the moment, you can just see the Emirates A380 turning onto the runway, going via holding point Juliet 1 on runway 23 right. Watched her come in earlier this morning, managed to just grab some very quick footage. Hopefully the departure will be of a better quality. As I mentioned earlier, she's in the Expo 2020 livery. Quite a common visitor to the airport. Anyway, let's go. Let's see how quickly she takes off.
So the Emirates now just planning to take off rolling.
There we go.
This A380 produces £72,000 of thrust.
Just a little bit more than my Vespa 50. Wowee. Look at the jelly there coming out of the engines. And then someone's head. Sorry about that. And there she goes. Rotation rate. Bye bye. Straight into the sun. What a sight. And there she is, just turning around now, heading up towards Dubai.
Out over the wash.
That's the A380 that's just left.
Amsterdam, then down
Heading
over
out
Germany,
towards Yorkshire.
working way over several European
And then
countries,
over
then
Europe.
and